Okay, in this video I'm going to be specifically making it for my M104 classes at IUK. I'm just going to do a couple examples of adding and subtracting polynomials. This comes out of section 5-1. And the reason I'm only going to do a couple of these is because really if you can add and subtract like terms, then you can add and subtract polynomials. Alright, adding and subtracting polynomials, the way the problems are going to be set up differently than just adding like terms would be you're going to have a polynomial and it will be clearly denoted that way by a set of parentheses around it. Alright, so here's another polynomial, set of parentheses, and it's being added. Okay, so same thing here. I've got a polynomial, alright, set of parentheses around it to indicate that that is an entire polynomial. Same here, and I am subtracting these. Alright, but bottom line is you're going to go through and you're going to find your like terms, and those are what you're going to combine. Okay, so looking at this first one, alright, if you've got more than one variable, typically this would be from an Algebra 2 class, College Algebra class, two different variables, alright, with various exponents. Alright, to get a like term, all the variables and all the exponents have to match. So this one is an x to the third y, this one is an x to the third y. Alright, so those two are like terms. Alright, I can go ahead and put those together. I'm adding, so this is no more than adding the coefficients. So 5 and 2 is 7. Alright, now if I add like terms, I get a like answer. Okay, so I have to keep x to the third y because adding like terms, I get a like answer. Okay, now going through here some more, I've got a 4x squared y, and here's a 6x squared y. So these two are also like terms. Alright, so you don't want to drop that negative that's in front there. A negative 4 plus a 6 is going to give you a 2 on your leading coefficient. And again, adding like terms gives me a like answer, so I have a y, or an x squared y. Alright, for my last set of matching terms, alright, I've got a negative 7y here, I've got a negative 4y there. So again, those are like terms. Keeping the negative on both of those, alright, that would be a negative 11, so minus 11, and keeping the like term. Alright, now I have this left over 5. I just want to make sure that I add that into my answer. Okay, so like I said, this is nothing more than just adding like terms. Alright, so this should be pretty simple. Okay, now for subtraction on polynomials, since this is a polynomial, I have a set of parentheses around that. I'm subtracting this quantity. I've got to go through and change the sign. It's the same thing as multiplying through by a negative 1. Alright, so I am actually going to show that step. So I'm going to have 2x raised to the 2n plus 2x to the n minus 9. Alright, I'm going to drop this set of parentheses because I'm going to go through, change the sign. I'm going to have a minus 6x raised to the 2n, change the sign, so I'll have a positive 4x raised to the n. Again, change the sign, so I'm going to have a plus 4. Okay, now I can go through there and I can add some like terms. Alright, let's see here. I'm going to have an x squared and an x squared, or an x raised to the 2n, x raised to the 2n. Alright, so those two are going to be matched up for like terms. And a 2 plus a negative 6 is going to give me a negative 4. And again, adding like terms gives me a like answer, so I keep x to the 2n power. Alright, let's find some more like terms in here. X raised to the n, x raised to the n. That also is a like term, so adding those, I'm going to have a 6x to the n, so plus 6x to the n. Alright, and then here I'm going to have a negative 9 and a plus 4. That's going to give me a negative 5 for that last set of like terms. Constants are considered to be like terms. Okay, so definitely it's pretty much straightforward, just combining like terms. About the only difference there is on your subtraction, you are going to have to go through and change all of your signs. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.